Ever wanted to know where your friends or family are in real time? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to track someone's live locations using Google Maps safely, easily, and for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make easy tutorials on Android apps and tech tips to make your life simpler. So if that sounds good, hit the like button and subscribe. First, you can just open Google Maps on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your Google account and that your location services are turned on. And now you can just tap on your profile icon or your photo at the top right corner in here. And then you can just select the locations sharing. This is where you can manage who you share your live location with. Now you can just tap on share location. You can choose how long you want to share your live location, from 15 minutes to several hours, or even until you turn it off manually. And then you can just pick the person you want to share with. You can send it via Gmail, WhatsApp, or even copy the link and share it directly. Here you can see the time. I'm going to choose until you turn this off. And then I'm going to choose the person, let's say this one. And then you can here click on share if you want to share it with the link. And if someone shared their live location with you, you'll see their name and location move in real time right inside your Google Maps. You can even tap their profile to get a direction or estimate how far they are from you. And if you want to stop sharing, you can go back to location sharing and tap on stop anytime. It's that easy and completely in your control. So that's how you can track or share your live location using Google Maps. Super useful for meetups, safety, or travel. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorials. Bye!